The neuron begins in the presynaptic stage as the messenger with the nucleus where all the cell information is stored. The soma or cell body surrounds the nucleus and provides it with a substance for growth. Connected to the soma are dendrites, which receive messages and send impulse directions back to the cell body. Attached to each dendrite are dendrite spines, which receive input from axons and electric signals to the cell body.
Attached to the cell body is the axon, which is crucial for carrying information from the cell body to other cells. Information is carried through action potential, the brief wave of electrical charge traveling down the axon. Action potential follows the Olear principle, which requires the electrical impulse to reach a certain level of intensity and maintain that throughout the axon. Wrapped around this is the myelin sheath, which insulates and speeds the signal in the axon. Along the myelin sheath are small gaps called nodes of Ranvier, which allow for ions to diffuse in and out of the neuron, which spreads the electrical signal down the axon.
At the end of the axon are axon terminal buttons, which store synaptic vesicles containing neurotransmitters, the messengers of the cell. At the synapse, the space between the two neurons, the neurotransmitters are elicited through the receptor sites, gate-like structures that allow for electrical signals/impulses to enter the postsynaptic neuron. The postsynaptic neuron acts as the receiver of the electrical signal and carries it to the cell body. When this process is not occurring, the neuron is in a resting state, not transmitting any information, known as resting potential. When the neuron is becoming positive and ion channels open up, depolarization occurs. Reuptake is when the neurotransmitter is reabsorbed.